Introducing the MyCanon Business Implementation Portal, transforming print fleet implementation tracking. Canon installs tens of thousands of print devices each year to over 6,300 Australian businesses. Many of our customers have numerous devices spread across multiple locations nationwide. The portal can handle an installation of a few thousand devices or more for any one customer. This real-time cloud-based portal offers complete visibility into the order-to-install journey for fleet project-managed customers and Canon, enhancing implementation control. Specifically, the portal has been designed to securely deal with extensive data volumes, keeping them safe. This also makes data input, extraction and milestone tracking more efficient, ensuring projects remain clear and manageable. To install a new device, we need to plan ahead and collect specific information. This will include when you require the device, where it will go, who are the main contacts, any induction requirements for safety and network data. When orders are placed with your authorization, you will be able to track their progress all the way up to arriving at your desired location. Changes to your information are tracked within the portal and can be audited as to who and when a change was made. Finally, the new portal has simplified access for both customers and Canon. This includes a calendar that provides visibility on all scheduled installs, removals and relocations. Speak to your Canon sales team to learn how we can make things simpler when rolling out your new print fleet. The MyCanon Business Implementation Portal, transforming print fleet implementation tracking.